Do you want to make your photos and videos pop with an exciting party flash reveal effect? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this trendy animation using CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. First is to open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the photo or video clip that you want to reveal and add it to the timeline. The step number 2 is adding flash animation. Select the animation on the tab below. Browse through the categories and look for the flash or party flash effect. Now is the time that you can explore the options for party flash animation. Select one according to what your video is needed. You can also extend or shorten the duration of the animation. For the final step, before exporting, play your video from beginning to end and check if the flash lines up perfectly. And there you have it! Now, your video has party flash animation. Thanks for watching and happy editing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless us all!